Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about atom and atomic mass. First, what is an atom? We all know that in human body, the basic unit, okay, from which is known as the building block of body, is a cell. Similarly, in all forms of matter, atom is the building block. The size of atom is very small, that we even can't imagine or we can't see. We can't separate atoms, okay? The atomic radius is measured in nanometers. For example, this is nucleus in the center, okay? And this is first orbit where the electrons are revolving. Similarly, there are a number of orbits in which electrons are revolving, okay? So the distance from the nucleus to the outer shell, that radius is known as atomic radius. We measure this atomic radius in nanometers. 1 meter is equals to 10 raised to power 9 nanometer. Okay, it means nanometer is very small. Symbols. We have already discussed that how we represent different elements with different symbols. I have given you list up to 20. Learn that. We have already discussed about Dalton's atomic theory that atoms of the given element are similar in mass and chemical properties. Atoms of different elements are different in their mass and chemical properties. Next is atomic mass. What is atomic mass? It means mass of an atom, and in an atom, okay, this is nucleus. Why I have written here positive? Because in a nucleus there are proton and neutron. Neutron having no charge, they are neutral. Proton having positive charge. I am repeating again, nucleus is positive because in nucleus proton and neutron are present and electrons are around the nucleus. Neutron is neutral, that is, it has no charge. Proton is positive, that is why nucleus is positive. Electron having negative charge. In an atom, positive and negative charge are equal. That is why an atom is neutral. Okay. As we are discussing atomic mass. Atomic mass must be equals to the mass of proton, neutron and electron. It means it must be equals to the mass of proton, neutron and electron. But the mass of electron is very, very small. It is negligible. So, atomic mass we can simply define is equals to the number of neutrons and protons. It was all about today. Thank you and have a nice day.